Australia is famous for its adorable marsupials. Most of the world's marsupials are found here. Koalas, quokkas, sugar gliders, wombats and wallabies are just a few. Let's find out where they live, what they eat, and what makes them so unique. This cuddly koala might look like a bear, but it is really a marsupial. Marsupials nurse and care for their young in a pouch until they are old enough to survive on their own. Koalas only eat the leaves of certain types of eucalyptus trees. They live in forests or woodlands where these trees are found. This kind of habitat is located along the east coast of Australia. Smile! Quokkas are famous for their happy-looking faces. These curious marsupials were once mistaken for large rats, but they are actually a small breed of wallaby. They prefer to live in coastal areas and can be found on the southwestern coast of Australia. Quokkas are plant eaters or herbivores. They make their home in dense shrubs and heath for protection from predators. Nothing is sweeter than the sight of a sugar glider. Like most marsupials, they are nocturnal and active at night. With big eyes to help them see in the dark, they can jump and glide from tree to tree. They eat plants as well as insects and small animals, which means they are omnivores. This tiny marsupial lives in northern and eastern Australia. They live in rainforests and woodlands and seek shelter in tree hollows. Round and furry wombats love to eat. They make sure their burrows are near lots of tasty grass and other plant material. Using their large, sharp claws, they dig their burrows in the woodlands and forests of southeast Australia. They like to sleep for most of the day and come out at night to graze. Like all marsupials, they have a pouch for their babies. Their pouch faces backwards, so it doesn't fill up with soil when they are digging. Wallabies are not kangaroos. They look like kangaroos, but they are much smaller and cuter. They like to rest in the shade during the day and graze on grass and plants at night. They have many different habitats. Some are named after their homes, like rock and swamp wallabies. Other wallabies have names that describe how they look, like the red-necked, yellow-footed, and black wallabies. Wallabies have so many different habitats that they are found all over Australia. Which marsupial do you think is the cutest?